The Tata Yodha 2025 is here, and it's making waves in the pickup truck segment with its rugged build, powerful engine, and enhanced features. Designed for both commercial and personal use, the Yodha combines durability with performance, making it a top choice for those who need a reliable workhorse. With its imposing front grille, muscular stance, and aggressive styling, it commands attention on the road. The updated model brings a more refined yet tough design, ensuring that it stands out in any environment, whether on city roads or off-road terrains. Under the hood, the Tata Yodha 2025 is powered by a robust diesel engine that delivers impressive torque and efficiency. The improved powertrain ensures better fuel economy without compromising on performance. With a high payload capacity, this pickup truck is built to handle heavy loads effortlessly. Whether it's for transporting goods, carrying equipment, or even towing, the Yodha gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Its suspension setup is designed to handle rough terrains with ease, providing a smooth and stable ride even on uneven roads. Step inside, and the Yodha offers a practical yet comfortable cabin. The ergonomic seating ensures a fatigue-free experience even on long drives. The dashboard is well laid out with essential controls within easy reach, allowing the driver to focus on the road. The updated model also includes modern features like a digital instrument cluster, power steering, and improved air conditioning for enhanced comfort. While the Yodha is built for utility, Tata has ensured that it does not compromise on driver and passenger comfort. Safety is another highlight of the Tata Yodha 2025. Equipped with advanced braking systems, reinforced body structure, and seatbelt reminders, it ensures that both the driver and passengers are protected at all times. The truck also comes with improved visibility through larger ORVMs and LED lighting for better night driving. Tata Motors has focused on providing a vehicle that not only delivers performance but also prioritizes safety, making it a dependable choice for businesses and individuals alike. Another key aspect that makes the Yodha stand out is its low maintenance cost. Tata has engineered this pickup with durability in mind, reducing the need for frequent repairs. The availability of spare parts and Tata's extensive service network ensures that owners have a hassle-free experience. With a competitive price tag, the Yodha offers excellent value for money, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses looking for a reliable transport vehicle. Customization is also a major advantage with the Tata Yodha 2025. It is available in multiple configurations, including single-cab and double-cab variants, catering to different needs. Whether you need a vehicle for logistics, construction, or personal use, there is a Yodha variant suited for every requirement. The strong chassis and versatile cargo bed allow users to modify the truck according to their specific business needs. For those who need an all-terrain vehicle, the Yodha delivers exceptional off-road capability. With high ground clearance, a strong suspension system, and a rugged build, it tackles difficult terrains with ease. Whether navigating through muddy fields, rocky paths, or steep inclines, the Yodha is built to handle it all. This makes it a perfect choice for those who work in challenging environments where a regular vehicle would struggle. Tata Motors has built a strong reputation for producing vehicles that are reliable and efficient, and the Yodha 2025 is no exception. With its blend of power, comfort, and durability, it is set to dominate the pickup segment. Whether you're a business owner looking for a dependable transport vehicle or an adventurer seeking a tough companion for rough road journeys, the Yodha is ready to meet your needs.